How to fix iPhone camera blurry or not focusing. Let's get started. First, check the camera lens. It might just be dirty or have fingerprints on it. Grab a soft clean cloth and gently wipe the lens. Next, close the camera app completely and reopen it. Sometimes it just needs a fresh start. You can also try switching between the front and back cameras a few times. This can help it refocus. If it's still blurry, restart your iPhone to clear out any temporary glitches. For that, launch Settings, scroll down, click on General, scroll all the way down, click on the option Shutdown, wait for a few minutes and turn it on. Another good trick is to tap on the screen where you want to focus. Your iPhone should adjust automatically. Also remove any case or cover that might be blocking the lens or causing shadows. Next, check for software update. For that, launch your Settings app, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If you found out any updates, just update your iOS to its latest version. If the problem continues, you might have a hardware issue, so it's best to visit an Apple store or a trusted repair shop for help. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.